Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how I build a website in under 30 minutes. I didn't really code everything from scratch, but then I used AI to help accommodate me. I'm already assuming that you already have the basic skills in CSS, HTML, Java, and PHP for the database. So to start with anything, we are first building an online attendance tracker. So basically, student can go in and find their attendance, and lecturers or managers can view, can use the website to also view the total number of students or workers who have signed their attendance that day. So it's actually a simple website which everyone can use. So to first start with a website, HTML is the backbone of every website. So I've created these files. As you can see, there's nothing inside the file, but those are the files I'll be using mainly. So I'll first come to the index. This HTML is the login page, the HTML for the login page. So I first I've already used the AI to generate all of this. So I'll just come and copy the codes, then copy and paste. So in this HTML, I'll actually run the code for you to see how it comes about. So I'm running the code. So in this HTML, so this is the login page. I've not applied CSS and Java. That's why it sees as such. This is the name of the website, the attendance recorder. You can log in with your name, your username, and your password. You either log in as an attendance manager. You can. So since we've not done the HTML code for the other website, that's why we are seeing a blank. But let's go back and do HTML for the other pages. So let's come to the manager page. Then we also come here, copy and paste codes which AI actually generated. I'll actually leave a link in my bio if you want my code and maybe you want to adjust something. You can do it. So this is the HTML code for the manager. So if you log in on the login page as a manager, this is where it will take you, and you can see here that you can track the employee's record, the time the employee checked in, the status whether late or on time, and action to be taken. You can even export the report. So let's also build the page for the attendance for the student. So this is the file I'll be using. I'll just come here and copy attendance.html, copy. I come here and I paste. So I'll also run that for you to see how it comes. So I use a feature in VS Code which is Go Live, which actually helps me run my post in VS Code. Yeah, let me preview how the website will be. So this is the attendance page. When you log in as an attendance, this is where it will bring you. I've not applied CSS, that's why it's like messed up like that. But then these are the basic buttons: logout, check in, which records your attendance, your username, and time you logged in. So let's apply CSS to the entire system and you actually see how it is. So you come to our CSS file and we copy the CSS codes. You actually see the big difference of what happens. So this CSS, we paste it. And yeah, I already said it, I use AI to do most of the coding before doing this video. So I won't be coding off head or coding right now in the video, but then I'll also make another video on each of the coding, the CSS, HTML, and Java. So you can, I'll leave the link in my bio. You can go and watch the video. So we applied the CSS. Let's go and see how our websites are doing. So you can actually see that since we applied the CSS, the interface of our website has changed. This is the attendance page where you actually check in. And let's see the manager's page as well. Manager. The basic importance of CSS is to beautify a website or make a website more attractive to use. Yeah, so this is also the manager's dashboard. You can see total employees, the time they checked in or registered, their status, whether late or not. You can actually see the CSS makes a huge difference in the system. But as I already said, it's a simple attendance recorder system, so we will not really apply many huge CSS to it. It's just a simple website. So right now you can really see that the buttons are not really working that well. You can go into the login page and all. It's because you've not applied CSS to it. So we've not applied JavaScript, which handle the authentication and the back end processes of the website. So let's go and copy the JavaScript for the manager's page as well. So you copy to JavaScript, then we paste the code. So come here, just a little bit, but then we come here, Control AC, then you paste the codes here. When I'm done, I will actually show you how the website is. It's actually pretty interesting if you understand what you're. Then we come here to then we copy the attendance JavaScript. That's basically the whole website. It's not really anything huge if you understand how to use AI to implement the system and know where the fault will be. If you understand the basics of how to do, you can actually do the simple websites in under 30 minutes without no stress or anything, or even using paid AI. This one I use free AI, so it's actually no stress. So let's start everything and see how our website will be like. So we go into the index, that's the login page, then we run it and see how it comes. So this is the login page. You can actually see welcome back. Attendance recorder, the name attendance recorder. You can log in using your username and password. And I'm logging. I type my password. I'm logging in as worker. That means I will be able to climb my attendance, but I won't be able to track all that. Just come when I log in. Then it takes me to the attendance page. I've already linked pages together. I see we integrated two pages. Login page, attendance page, and money. So this is the attendance page. Okay, it says here that I've already checked in because I have. Let's log out and let's log in using it. So anything for the password, type our password. We are logging as an attendant. Remember that. So as soon as we log in, then we check in. It will bring this pop-up. You've logged in. Check in recorded successfully. This is the time you check 3:14 in the date of the time you check. Let's also check in using another name. Let's say it's Suzy, and we enter a password. We are also checking in as a to log in. I'll actually show you the trick behind this. It's actually pretty nice. So we also check in. So let's say we are the students who logged in or who was able to find attendance that day. Then the managers come in to view the 2000 or the 2000 students who attended class that day. And the system has created in such a way that if you log in with another name you log in to the manager page, it will reflect you. As you can see the manager username admin, any password was also manager name admin. So you type in your password, then you log in as the so when you can see the system is actually pretty. You can see the the number of information present and go through our time. If let's say someone to be late, you can see that here will be 5 in the list one. So the manager can actually track all the attendances that day and even export it. So now we are done with our website. So our website will basically an attendance. So you come here, you log in as a student or worker, then you check in. So your data will be saved. Then when your manager comes and wants to know the number of people who checked in or logged in to find the attendance that day, he can also do that. So that's our website, and here's the code we use to build it. We use three HTML codes, JavaScript for each code, and CSS stuff. I could have actually merged all of this into one code, but for easier problem identification and sort, I made each of them into a single code. So that's that, and this is our website for creating the attendance management system. You can actually like the video and subscribe and leave any comments you think. I will also be using AI to build other websites about it. You can also check that out.